Hello, welcome to Pike Creek Farm. I got my shake and bake. I got pork chops. I am going to also do a taste test of the beans I made yesterday. So I'm going to bake some potatoes, have pork chops, some of the tomato beans, and maybe a can of green beans, or I have some broccoli, some other vegetable. And I am also baking bread. First time trying this recipe, French bread. Well, fingers crossed it works out. And I never introduced myself. My name is Renee. Welcome to Pike Creek Farm. I live in the thumb of Michigan and like to do videos on canning and baking and vintage recipes and just life here. And I thought I'd bring you along for this taste test. And I do have a video for the shake and bake and look. I'm gonna have to put more, mix up some more. This is so good. So we're gonna have shake and bake pork chops with the beans and potatoes and maybe the broccoli, because that's fresh, so it should be used up. But I wanted to bring you along for a taste test on the beans. So I'll bring you back when I get everything ready. Pork chops and baked potatoes, they're little ones, out of the oven. Broccoli and the beans are heating up. Here are the beans. Don't they look really good? They're really hot, but I'm gonna do a taste test. Maybe a little salt, but otherwise, I mean, the flavor goes all the way through the beans. They're nice, and I got a bean under there. They're nice and saucy. So they're good. So I'm gonna do a baked potato where I open it up and put butter on it, salt and pepper, put some of the beans and then a little bit of cheese on top. Okay, here's potato. I didn't rub them with oil. Sometimes I put oil and then salt on the outside and they get really crispy. I like them like that, but nice and soft. Put some butter. Put some more butter. Some salt, pepper, and now some beans. Some cheese. So potatoes ready, pork chop. And I probably won't eat all this. Put the beans back there. And now some broccoli. Okay, here we go. Dinner. And you can make the baked potatoes and the baked bean into a dinner. Use a bigger potato. It's very filling and very frugal. But this is my dinner tonight. That pork chop is big. I have to cut that in half. And I will definitely make these beans again. They taste perfect on those potatoes. Thank you for joining me. I'm gonna go eat dinner and eat my beans. We'll see you next time at Pike Creek Farm.